Low-voltage controlled lighting systems include cost-effective systems such as Lutron R Atwell Select, which is a wireless system with wall-mounted dimmers and switches that can control up to 100 devices. Leviton Decor Smart, which is a line of smart switches that include dimmers, motion sensors, and voice assistants. And Insteon, which is a wireless system that uses both power line and radio waves for communication. High-end systems include Control4, which integrates lighting, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and other home systems with a central hub, and Crestron, which offers advanced lighting scenes, schedules, and integrations with other technologies. Yes, there are low-voltage controlled relays available for installation in lighting outlet boxes. These typically use a solid-state relay to control the lighting circuit. The following products are examples: Legrand On-Q solid-state relay, which is a compact solid-state relay that can fit in a divided outlet box. Control4 lighting contactor, which is a low-voltage contactor that can handle higher loads than solid-state relays. And Lutron Luminous 100, which is a miniature relay with built-in power supply and communication module. According to the National Electrical Code, number 14 NM wire is allowed for residential lighting circuits if the overcurrent protection device is 15 amps or less. Number 14 NM wire has a current carrying capacity of 15 amps, which is sufficient for most residential lighting circuits. Number 14 NM wire has a higher voltage drop than number 12 NM wire, meaning there will be a slight loss of voltage at the end of the circuit. This may not be significant for short circuits, but could become noticeable on longer runs. Number 14 NM wire is more flexible and easier to work with than number 12 NM wire, making it ideal for installations where space is tight. Using number 14 NM wire for residential lighting circuits is generally safe and practical, provided the overcurrent protection device is sized correctly and the voltage drop is considered. However, if the installation requires low-voltage control relays, a divided outlet box may be necessary.